Hey everyone, welcome back again to another video on this channel. In this one, let's talk about how you can export your Notion documents and all the pages into Excel, which is basically the spreadsheet format, so let's get into it right now. So you just want to get to any Notion page that you want to export. Ideally, you open the page with the most amount of subpages to include as much text and data as possible. Then in the top right corner, you need to locate the 3 dots button for more options. Then you need to click on Export. And from the options that are available to you, you want to make sure that you export it in the CSV format, which can be read through Microsoft Excel or even the Numbers app from Apple. So just choose this for the format. You can also include the subpages as well, because that's pretty useful as well. Then once you're ready, just click on Export. This might take a while depending on how many pages you have in there. You'll get notified about the export being finished. You should also get an email letting you know unless you have chosen otherwise. So then just locate the zip file, unzip it to get inside, and you can see all your files there. They are not explicitly CSV format, but this can also be open in the Numbers or Excel app as well. So you can right-click the file and click on Open With, choose the software you want to use, which can be, for example, the Numbers, as I mentioned before, and you'll have a nice spreadsheet with all your data, and you can work with it right here. So very useful stuff. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. I hope you managed to get it working. Let me know below in the comments if you did. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if you liked the video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later.